Oh, it's bright out here. It's a special day. It's a special day today. This truck today is 24 years old. Today. 3/3/1994, built in Pontiac East Assembly. Pontiac East Assembly. A GMC. Has some changes. We get rid of the strip bumper. Put that on. No more moldings. Crash defender. Replace the hood. This is new. These headlights are not original. Bumper is not. What else changed? Tailgate got stolen. But for the rest of it, it's all there. Things happen in 24 years. Yeah, Pontiac East Assembly. I still got the sticker over here, but I left my keys in the house. Maybe I'll show it later. Bought in 1996 from an iron worker from New York. Guy had a shit ton of money. I was just a little kid. I think I was like 10 or something. And this thing was picked up. Yep. That's when it was built though. Pontiac East Assembly. They built a great product and they knocked down the plant a couple years ago. It sucks. It would have been cool if it was still there to go drive to it with the same vehicle, because I'm crazy like that. Yeah, it's still got the 24-year-old spare. What I like too, I still got numbers on the truck. For the line, the differential says 26, the tire says 26, and the rear bumper says 26. There might be a couple other markings that say that as well. So that was the whole number on the line, 26. Which I thought it's neat. That's still there after all these years. But yeah, 24 years old. Bought in 96. No one wanted to buy it because it was two-wheel drive. That was the story. Said the guy just said he used to hang up the phone and he was trying to sell it in the paper, no less. You used to get good stuff in the paper. Now you get nothing. I think it costs like this thing like 17,000 new or something. It was super cheap. And it was sitting around for a year. Sold in 95. And this guy sold it, drove it for like 20,000 miles in like a year, and dumped it in like late 96 for like 10 grand or something. Had like 20,000 miles on it. Like I said, it was in mint shape. Just had a couple dings in the fender trim. Yeah, and I had the NASCAR tires too. I originally had steel wheels, I think, with trim rings. Then I guess they put these on, and the dealer put these on, and they put the NASCAR tires on it when they came out. Remember the Goodyear Eagles? They had tread on them, but they looked like the authentic NASCAR tires. I had that. Yeah, that was that. 3/3/1994. I forgot to do a video of the Ghetto Wagon that was built a couple days ago from Willow Run. Pretty cool. Still around. Gotta keep fixing shit. It'll last forever. It's a good, definitely good vehicle. This sucks. The freaking doors got rot on the bottom, on the inside. And radiator's porch rotted, and I probably have some cab corner rust just starting in the lower area. You feel it bubbling over here and on the other side. That's a bummer. And then the body shop, when it was wrecked on the side, they did a shit job. Poked a bunch of holes in it, and it's a crapshoot. It wasn't pushed in too bad. It's only in this lower corner. It had a dent. You still kind of see it right here. It's pushed in, caved in. But it's thick metal, so it comes back unlike new stuff. So that needs to be professionally fixed. Yeah, poor truck. God damn, too much road salt. I wish it didn't have any cab corner rust. Because now then you have rust inside and it's just going to grow and grow and grow. But whatever. It is what it is. Lasted this long. So, yeah. Pontiac East Assembly. Number 26. Still around when many are not. Can't even see this thing. It's so bright and hot today. Look, no pants. Oh yeah. Looks like a freak cartoon character. Alright, there's a sticker right there. Pontiac East Assembly. Still holding on. If I lose that sticker, I'll feel upset. Try to make a copy of that somehow. Still there. It's awesome. Front seat. We got 166, but it really has like 150. I'm gonna say probably like around 157,000 miles. I'm gonna say I did the math because the tires were not correct on this. So the speedometer read faster, and therefore it puts more miles than it's actually reading. I should really correct that. I would like to. What else? What else is done on this thing? I don't know. Those are the mats the dude put still in there. Original mats, holding on barely. Those are great mats. I wish I picked more of those over the years. I could have got a set. They were in a truck, but they freaking threw them in a dumpster. But they're the same color. They're from a '96, close. But they said left and right on it. It looked ugly. Can't pollen. Put a custom mirror in. Yep, a transmission was rebuilt. Transmission, but overall, great vehicle, man. A lot of people rode in this thing and they're dead now. So, I don't know. Seems like every time I need a part, it's just, I find it for this thing. I just found a light that I was looking for a cheap price and just popped right up. So we got another parking light, brand new NOS. I always run used ones in the front and they crack up, and then I just put another used one. But, you know, that's the original lights, and they crack around the edges. This is from some other piece of shit truck I got from New Jersey. There's all cracks around it, but I run them, they work. You know, if you hit something, you don't want to wreck something that's nice. And that's out of a light out of Texas. I still need more of these lights, the original ones. That thing was hazed over big time. Yep. Now, it was an original work truck bumper until someone here crashed into it and scratched it, which is a bummer. One day I'll get it re-chromed if I have a shit ton of money. Yep, this truck is extremely rare because it has like the work truck kind of interior with the seat and everything. It had the moldings though and a better style grille, but it had a black rear bumper, which is completely unique. You never see this. You never will see it. And apparently when I ran the VIN, there's only like 4 that were built identical to this like that year. So there we go, rare truck. Never seen too many like it. Yeah, 2-wheel drive kind of sucks, but you know, it's always used on the highway anyway, so it works fine as a scrap hauler. You can probably tow a little trailer with it. Trailer didn't come with a trailer hitch. That was added from a junkyard truck in '97. I try to keep all the parts original when I can. USA parts, going nuts to find them. There's my big beefy hitch. Yeah, it came out of a junkyard truck. So that's that now. Dumbo mirrors, some people hate them, I like them. I got a new NOS mirror for this thing too. It's the aftermarket one. I gotta put that in. Yeah, just need to fix up the wheels, repaint them, clear coat. Needs a little paint on the other side, a little rust would be nice to repair. And that's a great vehicle. Not all rotted out underneath. If you can even see it, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. I always used to rinse the hell out of it. I spent hours rinsing the road sole off of this thing. Get a little leak again over there. Yep, not terrible. That's that. That's our old hunk of crap. It's been cooking in the sun for a long time now. Almost 9 years.